So hello everyone. Today we will solving the probability puzzle, rolling the bullet. So the question is, two bullets are loaded into a gun's round barrel consecutively, and the barrel has a capacity of 6. The gun is fired once, but no bullet is shot. Does rolling the barrel, shuffling before the next shot increases the probability of firing a bullet? So let's just consider example. So we are taking like 1 and 2 are having bullets, and let's say 3, 4, 5, 6 are empty. So the condition was given that we fired a shot and it was empty. So let's just keep the firing pin at 6. Okay, and let's just make the pairs. The pairs will be 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and 6 and 1. So here, these are all the pairs and all cases I'm considering. Like I'm saying, one will have bullet, two also have bullet. Another case, two have bullet and three have bullet. So we have fired a shot and the six don't have a bullet. So these two conditions, 5 and 6, these will be discarded because we know that there is no bullet in them. The total cases remain are total 4, and out of that one pair will be left. So the 1 by 4, we have probability that a bullet can be fired will be 1 by 4. And they said that if we shuffle before the next shot, and so when we shuffle this barrel, we lost the information that the shot was fired and it was empty. So it eventually resets and it becomes 2 by 6, the original one. Like there are two bullets and the rest are empty, so it becomes 1 by 3. It was 25% probability here, and it's brought 33% around. So yes, when we shuffle it, we increase the probability from 25 to 33%. Thank you.